Hello mga kababayan, ito na po, nandito na po kami sa, saan nga ito, attorney? Sa Luneta. Nandito kami sa Luneta, guys. Nandito kami sa Rojas Boulevard, together with lahat ng mga tao. Si Tio, si Paulo, nandito si Dion, nandito si Coco Loco, si Puyo Coco, si MJ, ito si Joey. Yes. Kami po ay nakikita sa tawag na for transparency and for democracy, a 3-day effort of the people who's already fed up with the current situation of our country. So, nandito kami naglalakad. We are actually heading towards where the rally is going to be. And mga kababayan, I am very much, how do I say that, elated, more fueled to the call of ensuring that the Philippines as a republic and as a sovereign state deserve a better leader, a leader that ensures the Filipino people at the core of its policies, at the core of its how to say that, objectives, and ensuring that the Philippines remains a sovereign country and a state. Yes, nandito nagyaw-yaw na tuloy ako. Joey, magsabi, nandito tayo ngayon sa Luneta.
Yeah, pupunta tayo ng Quirino Grandstand to join the rally, peaceful rally for transparency, for better democracy.
Oh my God, yes. And accountability as well.
Correct. And I thank the INC for doing this.
Exactly.
Yes.
A 3-day event.
For the country. And I'm very, very grateful.
And also, Joey, I was just, you're grateful, I'm sorry, that you're grateful that this is happening.
Yes.
Yeah. And also, Joey, I would like to reiterate na, you know, this seemed to be my first ever really rally. This is my first ever rally, and I'm very pumped. In the Philippines, I know, yeah. And also, I feel like Filipinos should be out on the streets.
But I'd also like to say that sobrang importanteng nitong event na to for Alvin.
Yes, exactly.
I know all his sacrifices to be here right now.
Exactly.
As in.
Totoo lang.
So, I hope you guys, I want you all to know na talagang this cost Alvin very, very much. Ayan. So I thank you, Alvin.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. I think it's definitely, how to say that? It's definitely worth it all. If for a lack of better word, I think the country should be first.
Yes.
Diba? Hanggang sa dulo. So let's enjoy what we are actually going to experience tonight. We are in this together until the very end, until finally the Aguila will be the president.
Correct.
Diba? Same talaga tayo ng conviction dyan, ah. Exactly. So yun, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, na mga kababayan natin na nandito lumalaban para sa bayan. Dami po tao dito, guys. Grabe. Sobrang dami babayan. It's a 3-day event. Talagang, you know, mobilize talaga ang mga tao. Thank you really, INC, for doing this. Thank you for the things that you are doing, most especially that these efforts are anchored on ensuring that the Philippines will receive a better leadership or will have a better leadership. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Guys, we are actually hearing Senator Rodante Marcoleta currently talking and addressing the Filipino people who's actually joining the rally right here at the Quirino Grandstand, mga kababayan. And we are here together with everyone who are like-minded as well, who's doing what is rightful for our country and for the future generations of Filipinos. So we are here today because we care. We are here today because we want to call on our government to hear out the cries of the Filipino people who deeply want a change in leadership
para sa ganun makaiwas
we demand
sa
a
tuloy
better
na
Philippines.
tinutumbok
And this
ng
will
kanyang mga
happen
testimony.
if President
Ganito
Bongbong
po
Marcos
ang ginagawa
no
nila
longer
para
is
sa
at the
ganun ay
helm
sagkaan
of
ng
the Philippine
transparency.
government.
Ng ating bansa.
Ang dami pong tao mga kababayan. Like I swear to
Yung pong namumuhunan na
Sobrang
nagagaling
dami
sa
ng
ibang
mga
ibang bansa o ang tinatawag nila
These are wandering
foreign
around
direct
because they want
investment.
to
Ito po ay
different areas.
napakamabisang